Markets page is where you can add and compare the markets you want to analyze. In this page, you can find the best short-term rental markets for you to start or expand your short-term rental business, whether it is the highest return for investor, highest rental gap if you are doing rental arbitrage, or high demand and low competition market for property manager. You can start with adding your market. You can either search or see the popular markets for a specific country, state, or a continent, or you can draw an area if you can't find your market from the above two. If you are buying or renting a property, you need to ensure property price or monthly rent prices are set correctly. You can either click this icon for AI to estimate the value, or you can input the value according to your own research. Once you have multiple markets, you can compare their occupancy, revenue, ADR, and number of listings, and how it has been changed over history can check up to 36 months. And most importantly, you can now see how the markets are ranked by the most important metrics for your own purpose, either yield, rent gap, or by revenue. This is how you compare the markets. Once you want to analyze a specific market, you can click the row and this will take you to the market analysis page.